Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a cent currency symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your PC. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to insert a cent currency symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your PC? So like this. So there is a two type of cent currency symbol. So you just want to click this. Then if you're on the home section, just change to the insert option section on the top. Now just click on the symbol option. After clicking on the symbol option, just click on the more symbol option here. So after clicking on the more symbol option, you just need to change this subset to the currency symbol. Just scroll down, you can find the option called currency symbol like this, and I just keep my font to the this. I just want to note this. Then here you can find the first cent currency symbol like this. This is one of the type. The second type is just going to show again. Click on the more symbol, and in the currency symbol on the second row you can find this type of cent currency symbol. This is how you just insert a cent currency symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.